Alrighty, 11.2, areas of circles and sectors. All right, we have the area of a circle. That's area equals pi r squared, right? That we should know that one by now. So example 8 here, it says to find the area of a circle with a radius of 7 centimeters. I'm just going to plug in area equals pi 7 squared. So area equals 49 pi. And I'm going to leave it in terms of pi. Area is units squared, so I'll say centimeters squared. Example 9, find the diameter of a circle with an area of 142 square inches. So 142 is the area. That's equal to pi r squared. I'll need to divide by pi and then take my square root. So if I take 142 divided by pi, that gives me 45.20, and then there's a bunch more. And if I take my square root of that, I get 6.72 is my radius. My diameter is 2 times the radius, so that would be 13.45. And now it would be measured in inches. All right, next up, a definition. A sector of a circle is the region bounded by 2 radii of the circle and their intercepted arc, right? A sector of a circle would be a slice of pizza. Whenever you're talking about the whole slice, the crust, the cheese, everything, that would be, all of it would be part of the sector, right? Similar to the formula for a arc, the area of a sector is this measure of the arc over 360 times the area formula, right? Last time it was the measure of the arc over 360 times the circumference. Now we're talking about area. So example 10, and this is a formula that you just need to commit to memory. You need to know that, you need to memorize that. Example 10, find the areas of the sectors formed by angle DFE. Well, this says find the areas of the sectors, plural. So they want us to find both. They want us to find the outside one and the inside one. Starting off, I want to find what would this angle be? Well, 80 minus 360 is 280 degrees. So that one's, what is that? Angle is 280 degrees of the major arc. So starting off, I'll have the area of sector DE. And how do I describe sectors? I think I use 3 points. Oh, I don't have it written there. I'm going to say area of sector DEF. It might need to be, yeah, I think that's right. The area formula there would be 80 over 360 times 2 pi 5 squared. Typing that in, 5 squared is 25 times 2 times 80 is 4,000. So I have 4,000 pi over 360. I divide by 360, and that gave me a decimal. Let me type that in as a fraction. And I got 100 pi over 9. And I'm going to let that be. I'm going to leave that as is. I guess I could say centimeters squared for that. Yeah. All right, now for the other sector, the area, what would that be? DGEF, area sector DGEF, so the yellow one. It would be the same formula as up top, except I have a different angle. So that'd be 280 over 360 times 2 pi r squared. And I can plug in for the r, that's 5 squared. So I'm going to take 280 times 2 times 25. That is 14,000. So I'm going to take 14,000 over 360. That gives me 350 pi over 9. There we are. So whenever it says sectors plural in a circle like this, and a lot of times it's going to be shaded like that, you'll need to find the smaller one and the larger one. All right. I'm going to check on labeling of these sectors, and we can talk about that in class. So, all right, that's all. Make sure that you have this formula memorized. All right, that's all.